All right. Hey, Makani, how's it going?
Good, good. Thanks for having me. Um, yeah, no, so I wanted to talk to you about now that the XRP ETF has come out and there's some moving and shaking happening with the coin. What is your prediction going forward the next, month or two, what this coin possibility pricing could be?
Well, the my price prediction just on the ETF could be like another month or so, could be $10, $20 a coin. But we're looking for so much more than that. Um, Really, the price, if I'm going to give a long-term price prediction, we have to look at how many coins are actually, how much XRP is actually out there to be used for utility. And it's only like 4 billion coins out of 100 that are going to be used, because the ETF is actually hoarding coins, the spot ETF. But when that happens, the liquidity process, they're going to need $500, $1,000 XRP. I mean, if they're not going to have enough liquidity or enough coins for liquidity to do cross-border payments, especially in the beginning and then as it goes. So that's like my 5-year price prediction. I mean, I know there's a lot of people that would say like even higher than that, and they could be right. I think a lot of people know more than me when it comes to that, but I think we're looking at $100 XRP within the next couple years. No brainer. What about, I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, definitely $100 is within sight. I'm a more, I'm going to say the 50 to 70 range. That's kind of what I'm hoping the next, 2, 3 years would be pretty nice. I'd be happy with that. And then going forward, obviously $100 plus. But I think, like you said, with the cross-border payments and the amount that they're going to need, the coin's going to have to go up in value.
You can't stay at $2.50 if they're going to be doing payments, cross-border payments, and on-demand liquidity. And plus, there's so much going on with the stock market and ETFs. More like when BlackRock and these guys jump into the ETFs, they're going to have to buy the coin to make it spot. It's going to become more valuable. But the problem is the institutions, unfortunately, are going to push out the retail guys like us. And there's only going to be, when I say a select few, I mean, I don't know how many thousands of people that are going to keep their XRP, the smart ones. And I hope that everyone watching this is going to keep it and not sell out at $10 or $20.
Yeah, no, absolutely. They would do themselves a disservice to sell that early.
Yeah. So hopefully they watch this and say to themselves, hey, stick with the army. Do not sell your XRP.
Yeah. People have to remember they have a plan for XRP. Like you said, cross-border payments, all of that. They have a plan. This coin is going to have to go up in value a lot more for the plans that they have for the coin. And as long as we remember that, just sit. Don't sell.
Real quick, another thing that I saw was I look at the XRP rich list, meaning how many coins you have to be at a certain level, like a 1%er, a 5%er, and it's actually going down, which means as the price is going up, people are selling. So you used to have 50,000 coins to be a part of the 1%. Now it's 49,900 and something, or whatever it may be. Now it looks like it's inching down, but when that hits $10 or $20 XRP, that is going to shoot down because there's not going to be that many of the layman's, people like us, just regular people. It's going to be institutions trying to get us to sell for whatever reason, entice us to sell, and they're going to try to hold all the coins. And so you're going to go from a 5%er or a 10%er to a 2%er and a 1%er if you just hold.
Absolutely.
All right, man. Well, thanks. We'll see you at the next one.
Thanks for having me.
All right.